Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi. Excuse me? Is this seat taken?
Oh no, it's not. Please, go ahead.
Thanks. The place is filling up fast.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a full house tonight. Are you a fan of this band?
Yes, I love their music. This is my first time seeing them live, though. What about you?
Same here. I've been listening to them for a while, but I never had the chance to go to their concert until now.
That's cool. What's your favorite song of theirs?
Oh, that's a tough one. Probably Shining Stars. It's such a great song. How about you?
I love Endless Road. It's so emotional and beautiful.
That's a good one too. By the way, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Sarah.
So, Sarah, do you go to concerts often?
Not really. I only go when it's a band I really like. What about you?
Same here. I enjoy live music, but it has to be a band I'm really into.
Makes sense. Did you come here with friends?
No, I came alone. My friends aren't really into this kind of music. What about you?
I came with my brother. He's grabbing some snacks right now.
That's nice. It's always fun to share experiences like this with family.
Absolutely. Are you from around here, Mark?
Yes, I live about 20 minutes away. And you?
I'm from a small town about an hour away. It's a bit far, but totally worth the drive.
Definitely worth it. This band rarely tours, so it's a great chance to see them.
I know, right? I've been waiting for this concert for months.
Me too. Oh, it looks like the band is about to start.
Yes, I'm so excited. Let's enjoy the show. Wow, that was such an amazing performance. The energy was incredible.
I know. They're even better live than I expected. Did they play your favorite song?
Yes, they played Endless Road. I almost cried when they performed it. What about you?
They played Shining Stars, and it was perfect. The crowd really loved it too.
Absolutely. So, Mark, is this your favorite band?
One of them, for sure. I also love Coldplay and Imagine Dragons. What about you?
I'm a big fan of Coldplay too. Their music is so uplifting. Have you ever been to one of their concerts?
Not yet, but I really want to. Their shows are supposed to be amazing.
They are! I went to their concert last year, and it was magical. The lights, the songs, it was unforgettable.
That sounds incredible. Do you listen to any other types of music?
Yes, I like pop and a bit of classical music too. What about you?
I enjoy rock, indie, and sometimes jazz. Jazz is great for relaxing after a long day.
I agree. Sometimes I play soft jazz while I'm reading. Speaking of reading, do you like books?
Yes, I do. I mostly read nonfiction, but I also enjoy mystery novels. How about you?
I love reading fiction, especially adventure and fantasy stories. They take me to another world.
That's great. Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I just finished The Hobbit. It's such a classic.
I've heard about it, but haven't read it yet. Would you recommend it?
Definitely. It's full of adventure and great characters.
I'll add it to my list. So, besides music and reading, what do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy watching movies. I try to go to the cinema at least once a month.
Same here. What's the last movie you saw?
I watched The Lion King, the live-action version. It was so good.
Oh, I saw that too. The visuals were amazing.
They really were. What about you? What's your favorite movie?
I love Inception. It's so mind-blowing. Have you seen it?
Yes, it's one of my favorites too. The story is so creative.
I agree. So, do you prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema?
Both. The cinema is great for big action movies, but I enjoy cozy nights at home with a good film too.
Same here. Sometimes I even rewatch old classics at home.
That's a great idea. Maybe I should rewatch some of my favorites this weekend.
You should. Watching a good movie is always a great way to relax. So, Sarah, do you do any sports or exercise regularly?
Yes, I go jogging a few times a week. It helps me stay active and clear my mind. What about you?
I play soccer with my friends every weekend. It's a great way to stay fit and have fun.
That's awesome. Do you play in a local league or just for fun?
Just for fun. We usually meet at the park near my house. Do you enjoy team sports?
I like watching them, but I'm not very good at playing. I prefer individual activities like yoga or jogging.
Yoga is great. I've tried it a couple of times, but I'm not very flexible.
That's okay. Flexibility comes with practice. Yoga is really relaxing.
I can imagine. Maybe I should give it another try. Do you go to a yoga class?
Sometimes, but I mostly follow online videos. It's convenient and easy to do at home.
That's smart. Do you have any fitness goals you're working on?
Not really. I just want to stay healthy and feel good. What about you?
I want to run a 10K race someday. Right now, I can only run about 5 kilometers without stopping.
That's a great goal. Have you started training for it?
A little. I usually run twice a week to build my endurance.
That's a good start. Have you signed up for any races yet?
Not yet, but I'm thinking about joining a local race next month.
You should. Races are so motivating, and it feels great to cross the finish line.
I can imagine. Have you ever participated in a race?
Yes, I did a charity fun run last year. It was only 5 kilometers, but it was so much fun.
That's awesome. Do you think you'll do another one?
Maybe. I'd like to try a longer distance next time, but I need to train more.
We should train together sometime. It's always easier with a running buddy.
That's a great idea. Running with someone makes it more fun and less tiring.
Exactly. Do you follow a special diet to stay healthy?
Not really, but I try to eat balanced meals with lots of vegetables. What about you?
Same here. I also drink a lot of water and avoid too much junk food.
That's smart. Staying hydrated is so important, especially when you're active.
It really is. So, maybe we can plan a jog together next weekend?
I'd love that. Let's pick a park and a time, and I'll be there.
Sounds like a plan. Let's make it happen.
Well, Mark, It's been great talking to you. I didn't expect to have such a fun conversation at a concert.
Same here, Sarah. I really enjoyed talking about music, movies, and even running.
Me too. By the way, are you free next Saturday morning? We could go for that jog together.
That sounds perfect. How about we meet at Central Park around 9 a.m.?
9 o'clock works for me. We can do a few laps and maybe grab some coffee afterward.
Great plan. I'm looking forward to it.
Same here. It's always nice to have someone to run with.
Agreed. Well, I should head home now. It's getting late.
Me too. Thanks for making tonight even more fun, Mark.
Thank you, Sarah. See you on Saturday at Central Park.
See you then. Have a great night.
You too. Bye.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.